Here's an Intermatic quick tip. When installing an Intermatic die-cast in-use weatherproof cover, it's important to follow the National Electrical Code for grounding. This protects users from electric shock in all indoor and outdoor conditions. Before any electrical installation, it is important to turn off the power at its source. During installation, leave the top of the ground wire connected to the inside of your weatherproof cover and fasten the bottom connector to the bottom screw as you install the cover to your outlet. For this example, we are installing the die-cast cover onto a metal junction box. If the box is non-metallic, please follow NEC guidelines for installation. And if you have any questions or need help at any step in the process, you can call or email technical support at the contact information listed on the screen. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or visit our webpage for more tutorials.